You better love me again. You better love me again.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Jay Aguilar na naman. And welcome to another video. So ito, pina-review lang sa akin. And ito na siya guys. Ito. Nakabalot siya at kakarating lang niya. Ito ang ating Macbook Air 2020 M1 in-depth review. Of course, ang una muna natin gagawin is mag-unboxing ng ating Macbook Air 2020 M1. Let's go! Hanap nyo ba ng t-shirt na mga cool ang mga designs nang hindi gumagastos ng malaki pero sa quality ay panalo at premium looking designs pa? Introducing ang pinakamurang clothing line. There are lots of cool designs you can choose from this to this to this and this and this. So cool, diba? This is made out of 60% cotton and 40% polyester at 220 GSM ang kapal ng tela niya, kaya naman very comfortable siya suotin at hindi mainit. And wait, there's more. If you buy this shirt for only 300 pesos, you will also receive a cool hang tag outdoor sticker. Diba? Walang ganyan sa iba. Kahit pa branded na shirt, very affordable talaga at sobrang sulit. Dito lang yan, hatid sa atin ng XIX Clothing South. Mabibili nyo ito sa kanilang official FB page at XIX Clothing South. And let's go back to the video. So yun guys, ito na siya. At bubuksan na natin siya. Yan. Ay, yung itsura nito. And susubukan na natin siya.
Ayan na guys.
Open it. Okay. Okay. Ayan, MacBook Air. Okay. Buksan muna natin siya. Let's go. Okay. Ayan na guys. At buksan na natin. Ayan. Kunin natin. Ito na siya guys. Ayan. Ito muna yung laman. Ito. Ang kanyang manual. And, so yan yung sticker niya. Power. Adapter. Or para charger ng cellphone, you know. Okay. Type C. And yung kanyang adapter. Or yung cable niya. Na type C din. At buksan muna natin siya guys sa plastic niya. So yan. Wow! Rinig niyo yan guys. May tumunog. Yun ang tunog niya pag binubuksan. So tanggalin lang natin.
English is the main language. Press the return
Ayan si
key.
Siri. Ayan si Siri guys. Narinig nyo na. So, i-set up lang natin.
So yan, set up natin English. And next, Philippines. Sige, continue natin. Accessibility. So yan yung ata yung mga features, no? Vision, motor, hearing, cognitive. Okay, not now lang muna. Tapos, mag-connect tayo sa Wi-Fi. Continue lang din. Not now. Okay, not now. Sign in. So, set up later. So, skip lang natin. Agree.
A few moments later.
So, yan guys. Magtungo na tayo sa kanyang specs and features. The MacBook Air 2020 M1 was launched in November 2020. Apple created an aluminum alloy made of 100% certified recycled aluminum, measuring 0.63 by 11.97 by 8.36 inches and weighs about 1.29 kilograms and one of the thinnest and lighter laptops available. Let's go ahead to its display. MacBook Air 2020 has 13.3 inches Retina display delivering 2560 by 1600 pixels in a 16 by 10 aspect ratio. Apple finally replaced its much maligned butterfly keyboard, prone to issues like dust and broken keys, with its new Magic Keyboard providing a much better typing experience. The Touch ID sensor in the top right corner of the keyboard allows you to power on the laptop and sign in with your fingerprint. Apple has ditched Intel and has decided to use its own chipset, the M1. The M1 chipset is based on Apple's latest A-series processor for mobile devices, the A14 Bionic. Both sport the same 8-core CPU based on the latest ARM architecture, along with 8GB of RAM, which is, by the way, upgradable up to 16GB. With a 256GB SSD or solid-state drive, sports a 7-core GPU, while the more expensive 512GB variant or model boasts an upgraded 8-core GPU. But mine is 256, guys. And you can also expand storage up to 2TB on both models. Touchpad is so smooth and responsive when panning and pressing because of its virtual haptics. This means you'll get the same feedback from clicks and presses no matter where you push on the touchpad. It also has True Tone technology to adjust the color and intensity of your display to match the ambient light so that the images appear more natural. The MacBook Air includes a front-facing 720p webcam as well as support for Wi-Fi 6 wireless networking and Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology. This MacBook Air contains just two USB Type-C ports on the left side and a headphone jack on the right. Both of these USB-C supports Thunderbolt 3 charging and DisplayPort. The ports can also support VGA and HDMI output via adapters that are sold separately. With its battery, Apple claims it can last up to 15 hours wireless web and up to 18 hours Apple TV app movie playback with built-in 49.9 Wh lithium polymer battery. Your Mac includes a 30-watt USB-C power adapter. On its software, the MacBook Air comes with macOS Big Sur out of the box. It offers synchronicity among Apple devices with ability to make and receive both calls and texts from your iPhone on your Mac. Quickly switch between audio input when using AirPods and sharing files using AirDrop. But there is one feature only exclusive to the M1-based MacBook Air, and that's the ability to natively run iOS and iPadOS apps. Tama, sharing the same architecture as the A-series means you can finally run your favorite iPhone apps on your Mac, but not all apps will be available on Mac. The MacBook Air 2020 is paired with impressive stereo speakers that are much better than average. And give a good sense of audio separation when you're watching something on it. The MacBook Air comes in space gray, silver, and gold color. So we tried here comparing how fast our MacBook Air 2020 boot compared to Windows PC with 16GB of RAM and also an 8th Gen i5 Intel processor and 120 of SSD. So that is how fast this MacBook opens, while the Windows PC is still booting up. Alright, in conclusion guys, this is my thoughts on MacBook Air 2020 M1. So kung okay ba tong desktop laptop na to? So i-base ko na lang siya sa aking pros and cons. First, yung pros muna. Yung unang-una is napakabilis niyang mag-startup kapag binubuksan mo siya or kapag nire-restart mo siya, ganyan. Dahil nga dun sa kanyang processor na M1, makakapag-multitask ka talaga at maraming apps ang pwede mong i-open at the same time. Dahil nga sa sobrang powerful ng kanyang chipset na M1. At mas pina-powerful yan dahil sa 8GB yung kanyang RAM at 256 yung kanyang SSD. Second one is sobrang panalo din siya sa video editing guys. Sobrang bilis lang ng proseso ng pag-edit. And yung pangatlo naman is yung ability na makakapag-run tayo ng mga apps from iOS and iPadOS. Tama guys, pwede tayong mag-run ng mga iOS apps pero mga limited apps lang, not all apps from the App Store. Yun nga, may App Store tong MacBook natin, kaya sobrang okay. Overall, okay talaga siya guys. Yung sound quality niya, sobrang okay na okay. Tapos kapag nanonood ka ng Netflix, sobrang okay. Ang ganda ng frame rate. Hindi katulad sa mga ibang monitor na nagpipixelate. Pero dito sa ating MacBook Pro, okay na okay. Sobrang smooth ng graphics. At kapag nagsa-sound trip, napakalakas ng sound niya. Okay din sa akin yung mga features na Touch ID, kapag nag-fingerprint unlock, tapos yung Siri, and yung battery naman guys, sobrang tagal niyang malobat. Siguro maabot din ng isang araw, hindi pa rin nalolobat, kaya okay na okay siya. Kaya hindi mo na kailangan pa na i-charge siya ng maraming beses sa isang araw, kaya sobrang okay yun. And yun nga, yung charger niya na 30 watts, sobrang bilis din mag-charge. And last one is na-retain nila yung headphone jack port. Meron pa rin headphone jack port, hindi pa rin nila tinatanggal, hindi katulad sa ibang mga port na tinanggal na nila like USB, yan. So yan yung sa ating cons naman. Yung dalawa na lang yung port na sasalpakan natin, which is yung USB-C port na lang. Bibili natin sila separately, yung kanilang mga adapter like mga HDMI, ganyan, para makapagsalpak tayo ng mga USB flash drives, ganyan. So yan lang hindi okay, no? Yung ikaw pa bibili ng mga ng mga ganyan. Instead na dapat nandiyan lang yan. And number 2 is sobrang nipis nga niya. Baka yung gitna matupi mo bigla. Kaya dapat ingat lang talaga sa paggamit. Huwag katulugan, ganyan. Dahil hindi natin masasabi, no? Yung kanyang durability. And yung pangatlo and last is yung presyo niya. Napakamahal nga nito, pero I think sulit naman kasi talaga siya for its price. So yung presyo nito guys is nasa 54,000 pesos.
Mahal naman?
Mahal? Gusto nyo mura?
Oo.
Ako may alam na mura.
Ano yun?
Kapag sa physical store kayo bumili, pero meron kayong mabibilhan na store sa online or sa Apple website nila. Yun yung student discount. So, nabili na lang siya ng 48,990. So, magkano rin yun? Sa ano lang yan guys? Yung sa 256 gig variant. Pero yung mas mataas na variant, yung 512 gig, ang halaga rin niya is nasa 63,000 ganyan. So, isearch na lang student discount Macbook Air. Ganyan, 2020 ganyan. So, yun lang naman. Overall, okay na okay siya. Yung performance, yung mga features and stuff, okay na okay. So, yun. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Kung nagbabalak ka in the future, bumili ng MacBook Air 2020 M1. So, yun. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga ganitong klase ng videos. And, yun lang guys. Bye-bye.